Our next type is when no two of a certain type occur together. See the example. In how many ways can 9 boys and 6 girls be arranged in a row if no two girls are occur together? For example, see I am taking B1, B2, B3 boys, G1, G2, G3 girls. No two girls occur together. That means see B1, G1, B2, G3, B3. Here you can take G2. Now see, girls are not together, right? Here middle of the girls you can see the boys, right? Okay. Suppose you are doing arrangement. See B1, G1, G2, G3, B2, B3. This is not the arrangement. Why? Here you can observe now two girls are together. Or if you take G2, G3, here see two girls are together. Okay. Or suppose you are taking B1, G1, G2, here B3, here G3, then B2. Here also you can observe now two girls are together. This case also not possible. Above case also not possible. That's the meaning of when no two of a certain type occur together. Okay. See the question again. In how many ways can 9 boys and 6 girls be arranged in a row if no two girls are together? See, 9 boys and 6 girls are given. So, first make the arrangements for boys. Okay. See 9 boys. Suppose I am taking B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8 and B9. 9 boys are there. Okay. 9 boys can be arranged in how many ways? If n distinct objects are given, you can arrange that n distinct objects in n factorial ways. Since 9 boys are there, you can arrange 9 boys in 9 factorial ways. Okay. So you can do arrangement for boys directly, right? So here I will write 9 boys can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. Okay. Now come to the girls. 6 girls are there. Okay. No two girls together means you need to place girls between the boys, right? Suppose see, here I am placing G1, here I am placing G2. Okay. G3, G4, G5, G6 similarly. Okay. Now see, no two girls together, right? Because between girls you can see boys. Okay. That's the only possibility, right? Between boys you need to place the girls. Then only no two girls are together. Okay. So, how many such places are available for girls? Just check. Here see, here you can place girls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 places are available for girls, right? Okay. So, you need to arrange girls in these vacant places. Okay. So, 10 places are available. But how many girls are there? Only 6 girls. Okay. 6 girls are there. You need to arrange that 6 girls between the boys only. Since no two girls are together, we need to place girls between the boys. Okay. How many places are available? Right here. We can arrange girls in 10 places. Okay. Clearly you can see, right? 10 places are available. How many girls are there? Only 6 girls, right? See, this is the case arrangement of 6 girls in 10 places. What is the meaning of NPR? Arrangement of R objects from N objects. Here also the same case. Arrangement of 6 girls in 10 places. So we can arrange girls in 10 places in 10p6 ways. Yes or no? Okay. You need to make arrangement for 6 girls in 10 places. Okay. So total arrangement is equal to, what's the first arrangement? Arrangement of boys. How many ways are possible? 9 factorial ways is possible, and followed by you are making arrangement for girls, right? How many arrangements are available? 10p6. Therefore answer is 9 factorial into 10p6. Whenever no 2 girls or no 2 boys, okay, or no 3 or no 4 boys together, whenever such case arises, you need to place between the gaps. Okay, that time only such arrangements are possible, and then do the same calculation. Use multiplication principle, you will get the answer. Okay, now consider the case no 2 girls together, and the second case not all girls together. Question is these two conditions are same? Okay, first one is no 2 girls together, second one is not all girls together. Okay, sentence itself says, right, these two are different. For example, see, I'm taking girls G1, G2, G3 and boys B1, B2, B3. Okay, no 2 girls together means you need to place girls between the boys, right? B1 here G1, or B2 here G2, and B3 here G3. It's a one arrangement. Or you can make arrangement, see, G1 here B1, here B2, here G2, and here B3, here G3. Here also see, girls are not together, right? No 2 girls are together. But not all girls together. What's the meaning of not all girls together? That means here I'm taking the same example, G1, G2, G3 and boys B1, B2, B3. Okay, in this case you can make arrangement G1 here B1, G2, G3, B2, B3. 2 girls made together, but not all girls together. How many girls are there? 3 girls are there. Not all girls together means not 3 girls together. You may take 2 girls together. Okay, but B1, G1, G2, G3, B2, B3. This arrangement is not possible in this case. Why? Here you can observe now, all the girls. How many girls given? 3 girls given, right? All the girls are together. Okay, so this is the meaning of no 2 girls together and not all girls together. Here see, 2 girls are together, right? So we can't say this is the case no 2 girls together. Here you can see na 2 girls are together. This is the case not all girls together. Okay, see the next case, fifth one, when all the words begin or end with particular letters. Okay, see again, words begin with and end with particular letters. I will explain this case with this example. Find the number of words that can be formed by using all the letters of the word rainbow. Okay, see, you need to make arrangement for these letters. Okay, you need to make arrangement using letters of the given word. First case, see, how many of them begin with the R and end with W. What's the condition? Whatever arrangements you are making, first letter must be R and the second letter must be W. See, when the words begin and end with the particular letters. Okay, what's the second case? How many of them end with BOW? See, whatever arrangements you are making, that arrangement in the end you need to write BOW. What's the third case? How many of them begin with the ROW? Whatever arrangements you are doing for this word, your first 3 letter must be ROW. That's a case. Okay, so this is the case of words begin and end with particular letters. Clear? So consider the given word, that is RAINBOW. W. How many letters you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters are there. Okay. Consider the first case, that is begin with R and end with W. Okay. Here see I am taking 7 vacant places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Here begin with R. Here I am fixing R. End with W. Clear? Whatever arrangement you made between R and W, you can make arrangements between R and W only. But in the beginning R fixed and in the end W is fixed. Since these two letters are fixed, you need to make arrangement for the remaining letters only, right? How many letters are remaining? Total is equal to, you can count na, 3, 3, 6, 7 letters are there. Okay, fixing R and W in the beginning and end position. Remaining letters is equal to 7 minus 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters are there. If you fix R and W in the beginning and end, then you need to make arrangement for the remaining 5 letters only. Clear? So 5 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Okay, because n objects given, then you can make arrangement n factorial, right? 5 letters are available here after fixing R and W here. So you can get 5 factorial arrangements, right? So write the conclusion. Total words is equal to 5 factorial. Clear? Once again see, since begin with the R and end with the W is given, you can make arrangement. See, you can do arrangement like R, A, I, N, O, B, W. Here see, begin with R, end with R. Or you can make arrangement, see, R, I, A, N, O, B, W. See, begin with R, end with R. Now you can observe now, in the starting position R remains same, the end position W remains same. You are doing arrangements for the remaining letters only, right? Whatever arrangements you are taking, okay, here you are doing only arrangement for the remaining 5 letters only. That's why I am saying here in the beginning and end you need to fix R and W. Then only 5 letters remaining. Okay, this is the case of, after fixing 2 letters, this is the case of arrangement of 5 letters only. We know that 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. Okay, so total words you can form is 5 factorial. Clear? Second case is end with BOW. Okay, you need to make arrangement such that words must be end with BOW. See, consider the given question, rainbow. Okay, here you can see 7 letters I am writing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, here see, end with the BOW, that means last 3 positions are fixed, right? BOW, we can't change last position. Okay, for this place only one possibility, that is B. This place only one possibility, that is O. For the last place only one possibility, that is W only. We can't change the letters in the last 3 places. Okay, that 3 letters are fixed. Then how many letters are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 letters only remaining, right? Whatever arrangement are you doing, you are just arranging the 4 letters only. Okay, see, total letters is equal to 7. Since BOW, that is 3 letters fixed in the end position, Okay, remaining letters, how many letters you can see there? Remaining letters is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways? We know it's equal to 4 factorial ways. Okay, so write the conclusion. Therefore, total words you can make is equal to 4 factorial. Clear? You can see the question rainbow, RAINBOW. See here BOW in the end position, or you can write ARIN, but last position is BOW only, or you can write RNAIBOW. Can observe the arrangement, right? See here last 3 position remain same, BOW only. But see, you are doing arrangements for the 4 letters only. Okay, so if you fix 3 letters, only 4 letters are remaining. That 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Throughout the arrangements, you are doing arrangement for 4 letters only. 3 letters remain same. Such how many arrangements are available? 4 factorial arrangements are available. This is the answer for the given question. Okay. Third case is begin with the ROW. It's similar to the previous question. What's the previous case? Previous case is end with 3 letters. Here begin with 3 letters. Okay. Consider the question that is rainbow. Okay. Here I am taking 7 letters in vacant places. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. See here you need to fix R, here O, here W. For the first place only one possibility, that is R. For the second place only one possibility, that is O. For the third place only one possibility, that is W. How many letters remaining then? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay. So 4 letters are remaining. How many arrangements are available for 4 letters? You can do 4 factorial ways, right? Okay. Here write total letters given is equal to 7. Fixing ROW in the beginning. Okay, position. Okay, remaining letters equal to 4. Okay, 4 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. Okay, therefore total words is equal to 4 factorial. Case 2 and case 3 answer is only same, but that two are different arrangements. Remember that one. Okay, in the second case you are fixing 3 letters at the end, but here you are fixing 3 letters in the beginning. Answer only same, but arrangements are different. Okay. In the next session we will study some more type of permutations. Okay, thank you.